Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need Lightshot active now, so install and pin it to Chrome. Don't delay. Once added, open the page you want and press PRTSC or click the icon to begin a selection. This starts the capture instantly. Make sure you optionally sign in for cloud uploads and note that pinning saves seconds later. The reason is speed. Immediate selection keeps context and avoids distractions, so capture before scrolling or changing tabs. You'll drag to frame the precise area you want, and then refine using handles for accuracy. Once selected, use pen, arrow, and text tools to annotate, choose colors and undo if you overdraw. When done, decide. Save to disk, copy to clipboard, or upload to Lightshot Cloud for a shareable link. Make sure to name files logically when saving. This keeps images findable. The how is straightforward, edit in place, while the why is clarity for whoever receives your screenshot. Finish by saving or sharing. Hit Ctrl+S to save immediately or Ctrl+C to copy and paste into a chat. Once uploaded, copy the generated link and paste it where needed. Drag and drop works too. If something goes wrong, first check Chrome's extension permissions and ensure keyboard shortcuts aren't conflicting, then restart the extension or Chrome. Troubleshooting this way resolves most issues quickly, so you can get back to capturing accurate, annotated screenshots without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.